Hey, my beautiful people. So, welcome to my planner channel, and thank you for checking out my very first official planner video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell button because you're not going to want to miss what is coming up on this channel. I promise you it's going to be amazing. So, I finally decided to stop procrastinating, stop hesitating, and go ahead and post my first video on this channel. And what better week to start than my birthday week? Yeah, I know I'm a little late, but okay. So today we are going to be watching Friends while we plan. I finally finished the entire season from beginning to start. I feel like I've seen every show, every episode, but hadn't seen it like in order, so I went back and did that. So this cute little sticker kit is from Arrow Lane Studios on Etsy. Y'all should go check them out. I will definitely put that link down below. This is not sponsored. I bought that for myself because I really liked it. So something you must know about me is I'm not a girl who really loves the color pink. I'm not. But this right here, this like peachy, pinkish, gold layout was so beautiful that I had to get it. Also, you're going to see me struggle a little bit with these stickers because for some reason, my sister's Cricut cut like perfectly on one side, but when you started to go to the other side, it was not coming off. Like I tore quite a few stickers just trying to get them off of the sticker sheet. I have never had that problem with the Cricut, so I don't know what was going on. Yeah. So that's the struggle we having today. So I like to first put the stickers on for my to-do list because I want to make sure I have space to write my daily to-dos. If there's meetings that I need to be making sure I remember, there's things that I need to be turning in by a certain date, I like to try to put those on my calendar first. So anytime I'm doing my weekly spread, I like to put those stickers on first. So that's what I'm doing. Oh, they so cute. Now, depending on how many to-dos I may have or how busy I anticipate my week to be, will determine which stickers I use. I'm just using these 3 ones because I really needed to focus and get some stuff done. And I was trying not to get overwhelmed by doing a whole bunch of stuff. So I started with my birthday, which is on the 31st, and put this pretty little girl drinking her champagne. Even though I don't drink alcohol, in my head it's Welch's sparkling Welch's juice. That was just so pretty. Like I loved everything about her outfit. I also love when I go to Etsy and I go to the shops and they have different versions of the girls and they have different skin tones. I really love it. I feel seen when people do that, so that I can go in and be like, yeah, I can buy my sister a kit because she's a different skin tone than me. Like she's a lighter brown, I'm dark brown. Then we have my cousin who's somewhere in the middle. And I can just go in and get everybody like a sticker kit with a girl that looks like them. And that to me, I love about being able to order sticker kits off of Etsy. I love when shops do this and have the multiple girls and the multiple colors. It's amazing. But guys, can we talk about this kit? It's so cute. I've never really done a true birthday spread like with the birthday celebration looking stickers. So this is everything. I loved it. The only thing that was missing was some additional washi tape because I couldn't decide whether I wanted the washi tape or not, and I didn't do it, but it matches really well with that like glittery gold that's on there. That would have like pulled out through the washing. I also put this Monday through Sunday sticker on the side, just because sometimes I like to have where it's like on Monday I'm just gonna focus on I don't know, I'm trying to think of something. Like I'm just gonna focus on cleaning. I'm gonna clean this one area. That's gonna be my focus on Monday. On Tuesday I need to make sure that I work on this for work, because it's gonna be due on Thursday or something, like that kind of stuff. I like to make sure I have a focus for every day so that I'm not getting overwhelmed and I'm not doing too much. Like I said, sometimes just depending on what I have, I do the 3 little tasks, sometimes 5, and then sometimes 7. 7 is mostly when I have a lot to do, or I have smaller tasks that won't take me that long that I can go ahead and knock out. I will add more just to be a little bit more productive, not busy but productive. And that's basically what I do. I try to think it through and look at my calendars for work and for home and see what must be done during that time. And then these little stickers that I placed close to the bottom that have like little pictures on them and stuff like that, I like to use those as like either for like how productive was I today, or what am I grateful for today. So it just depends on how I'm feeling that week, will determine how and what I use those stickers for, right? So sometimes it's I feel like I need to get a lot done. Am I being productive? I'm doing a lot, but am I really being productive? So I'll be like, yeah, I got a lot of things that really need to get done today. I feel good about what it was. I can say I was very productive, or I just didn't feel well today. I was very sluggish. I only got a few things done. My productivity was low. Or sometimes I just need to be in a grateful mindset. So I'll go, I was grateful for my family today. I was grateful for being alive. I was grateful for just everything, you know? So that's what I'll do. And I hope you guys like this first spread. So until next time, peace out, much love. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that bell button, and I will see you guys on Sunday. Bye.